Hello students, today we will do the question answer of lesson number 2 in civics. Yes, your first question is, what are the causes and effect of discrimination? Open the page number 36 for the answer of this question. Yes, right, prejudice, stereotypes, inequality and casteism are the causes of discrimination. Okay, then next heading, right next heading, effect of discrimination, right, here to here. It's 3 points are the effect of discrimination. Firstly you write causes of discrimination, then after this write effect of the discrimination. It is the answer of first long question. Okay, your second long question is, गिव एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिस्क्राइब द डिस्क्राइमिनेशन. ठीक है, इसके आपको एग्जाम्पल्स देने डिस्क्राइमिनेशन के. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ डिस्क्राइमिनेशन, हमें एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू इसको डिस्क्राइब करना है. फर्स्ट है आपका कास्ट सिस्टम इन इंडिया. ठीक है, इट इज द आंसर ऑफ सेकेंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. ओके, अनटचेबल जिन्हें हम दलित भी बोलते हैं, वर द lost suffers from the implementation of the Constitution of India. The people who belong to the so-called upper caste used to hate them. जो upper caste के लोग होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, इनसे hate करते हैं. They neither intermingled with them nor had social interaction with them. Dalit used to do the needful work for upper caste pupils, without which they would not have lived a decent life. Still, they were not allowed to go to the temple or have water from the public well. Here to here, it is the answer, here to here. Okay, it is the answer of second question. Our next question is, how did Nelson Mandela end the apartheid in Africa? पेज नंबर 137 ओपन करेंगे इसके लिए हम. Here Nelson Mandela, here to here, South Africa. Nelson Mandela started anti-apartheid struggle through his party, African National Congress (ANC). All top leaders of ANC were arrested in 1963. Mandela and few others were sentenced to life imprisonment. In February 1990, elected President F.W. de Klerk announced the unveiling of the liberation movement and the release to political prisoners. Notably, Nelson Mandela, South Africa had its first democratic election in 1994, and Nelson Mandela became the first president of South Africa. Okay, here to here, Nelson Mandela and South Africa. Okay. Next question. What are the steps to reduce the prejudice, discrimination and inequality? Page number 137. Here, answer number 4. Step needed for the reduction. First step का education. Next step is laws. थर्ड इंटरकास्ट मैरिज. इसको कंप्लीटली राइट करेंगे आप हेयर तक. ठीक है, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड ऑप्शन राइट करेंगे, उसके बाद उसको डिटेल में यहाँ से राइट कर लेंगे. इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. देन योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ कैन वी रिमूव द एविल ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी फ्रॉम आवर सोसाइटी. हम कैसे अपनी सोसाइटी से अनटचेबिलिटी को रिमूव कर सकते हैं. यस, following suggestion can we remove the evil of untouchability from our society. यहाँ पे कुछ suggestions है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट है आप इंक्रीजिंग एजुकेशन अमंग द अनटचेबल. ओके, नेक्स्ट है द अनटचेबल शुड बी गिवन असिस्टेंस इन एग्रीकल्चर एंड कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज. प्रोपागेंडा अगेंस्ट अनटचेबिलिटी should be made. Fourth, social security should be provided to the member of the scheduled caste so that they may not have to borrow in time of diseases, old age and death. नेक्स्ट है इनकरेजमेंट शुड बी गिवन टू इंटरकास्ट मैरिज, एवोल्यूशन ऑफ कास्ट सिस्टम, मतलब एक एवोल्यूशन होता है कानून, एक कानून बनना चाहिए आपके कास्ट सिस्टम के लिए. ओके, इट इज द लॉन्ग आंसर ऑफ लेसन नंबर 2 in civics. Thank you.